Let's cook together. The adventures. See you soon. Bye-bye. Fluffy cupcakes. Look how they rise. Rise. Can you say bake? Beautiful cupcakes. So colorful. Decorate. Can you say decorate? Can you say share? One for everyone. Sharing is caring. Share. Butter goes in. Can you say add? Almost ready. Add gently. Can you say crack? Into the bowl. Great job. Crack carefully.
Fill the cups, one by one. Ready to bake. Can you say fill?
Ready to mix? Let's bake together. Can you say mixing bowl? Picnic party! Let's share together. Yummy cupcakes! Can you say picnic? Great job! Measure. Can you say measure? Pour gently. Looking good. Can you say pour? Round and round. Smooth batter. Can you say stir? Ready, chef. Chef hat. We learned together. Hooray! Can you say little chef? Great job, friends! If you had fun learning with me, please tap like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next adventure, GiggleJazz TV. Bye-bye!